Okay, this is my second try today at doing this correctly, because apparently I suck. Let's see, YouTube. My stream's not even showing up my own feed. What is this BS, man? Your channel. Here it is. Let's hear this beautiful non-sound. Oh, that's loop. Okay, doesn't exactly sound like there's anything wrong with the audio this time. That's great. I need to take out my headphones. Give me a sec. Alright, and we're back. Nothing actually really changed. I just need to readjust my headphones. And now I get to shamelessly plug this again in like a couple different Discords. Oh, the shame never ends. Oh, that's good. I can't sing that song. I'm gonna scare him and copyright it. I'm like, I don't think Mark will cover it, but still. Okay. Nothing really happened in the failed stream. Oh wait, crap! I need to make sure this isn't actually I need to make sure the failed stream wasn't for naught. Because what was happening before is that my chat was disabled because for some reason the video was marked as for children. Which I hate. It's good. Hey! Yay! I actually have chat now. Hello there, Rose. How are you doing on this fine... What is it, Sunday? Sunday. Summer break means I have no concept of time. That's good to hear. I feel like there should be music right now. I should be playing some music. Copyright free music. Give me a sec. I have an idea. I'm just going to pull this up on my second monitor. Over here. Hey. Over here. Just give me, let me see, let me think. What was it called? Let's see. I hope this actually goes on the stream. What's the bouncing on that? Really nothing. That is, what the frick? This isn't Bluetooth anyway, right? You can hear it? How's it compared to my voice? Yeah, but how's it compared to my voice? I need to know. This is really nice beat. It's a little, yeah. A little loud. killed all the way down to here. Wait, has it even changed? I'm not exactly sure. Maybe actually. I wonder if OBS is picking it up directly from the thing. Yeah, well, maybe what happens is that OBS is picking it up directly from the website instead of actually from the computer audio. That is a proud earth. So if I mute my computer audio, does the music keep going? Oh my God! Wait a minute. Wait, yeah. Yeah, because my computer audio is muted right now and the music is still going. What if I turn on the volume of my TV? Like, I don't think that really works, but yeah. Yeah, this is one trial and error period. How long has it been already? Oh, so the song's done, actually. The song ended. What about now? That work? Or... That work? Or... Ah! I found you! Ah! I found you! Okay, what about now? Okay, what about now? Yeah, I think this works a lot better now. Woo! I found it! Okay, I found the OBS channel that was actually recording the audio. Woo! Can I turn it up for myself and it doesn't affect it at all? I think I am fine. Yay, now I can have my phone muted and just have to read chat. God, I don't think I've ever had a stream take what is technically 15 minutes to set up correctly. God, that's abysmal. Yeah. We have music now. And it's like, I mixed I guess from now on, I'm going to just be using the tracks that I've mixed. I own the copyright to these tracks. No one else can use them. My music. Yeah. Taking a swig of water real quick. Okay. And let's get back to coding, I guess. So yeah, stuff and things have been happening. I got a lot of things plotted out. You'll see what this is for later on after I get some stuff resolved. Oh, it ended. Crap. Let me go back to Google and let's see what's another track. What about you? Ah, hello there. Da, 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 da. This song's making me pumped. But yeah, those are gonna be the lanes for the plants and the enemies. Not plants, snacks. Sorry, that's plants, snacks. Don't sue me, PopCap. You can do that after I'm done with the game. Please don't take any of my advice as actual recommendations. I am not illegal. I am not someone you should be taking recommendations from. And one up. Actually, for the up, okay. So essentially, this first enemy is essentially just it is just like a rotted version of your normal scrapberry. So it's gonna have what is essentially the same sprites. It just needs to be rotted this time. Alright, crap. I just need to make it so that this plant faces the player instead. And I could also just fill this stuff in. But, I guess if it's facing the player, then it just needs to be like a nice line. Nope. There. I'm a genius. I am a coding genius. No one can take that away from me. This is the type of outlook you should have in life, kids. Cocky. Okay. I'm so ready to freaking hear like YouTube be like, "Hey, you use this music without permission. How dare you?" Blah 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 blah. And I was like, "No, dude, I made these tracks. I have the freaking copyright for them. How dare you?" I will not stop bragging about that one fact, the copyright fact, because I like these tracks, and it is some pretty damn good music. Excuse me, magic wand too. I'd appreciate it if you stop magic wanding. Okay, so how does how do I do this one? Okay, so I should just filled in the box. I guess it'll be more noticeable with you. There we go. Little terrible rate frames, I guess. Create group. And enemy one. Yeah, that's fine. I just messed up my name convention though. No spaces. I need to add my songs to like a playlist just so I don't have to like continue coming back over here and just like choosing one of them, having to and all that other stuff. But yeah. Okay, next song. What is this one? Not really feeling that one, honestly. This is the part of the video where you get to watch me be indecisive about music for who knows how long. I have a lot of these tracks made, so it's gonna be a while maybe. All these things have names, and it's like this one's called DJ Sunset. Let me see what this one is. I'm guessing it seems like kind of 90s themed. Oh, nope. But I see where I got his name from. I can see like a beach with this one. There's like a beach. It's like a nice sunset. It's nice, man. It's nice. Just need to grab something. It'd be easier if I just magic wanded all these colors. Nope. I'd actually paint this. You gotta be kidding me, man. And I guess it doesn't matter if I get a little bit of the brown. I need the actual like base color. Bruh. It's called eCrit. It's the same thing I used to make the music for Drillitix. Which I don't think you actually ever heard because it was when you played it, we couldn't actually turn the music on. But yeah. God, I'm just being loud at this point. I need to be more careful. I'm realizing now that I could just have the. Actually, could I? No, I can't. That's unfortunate. I was gonna say I'm just gonna just have my stream loaded up for me, but no, I don't want to do that. That sounds exhausting. Yeah, I use a program called eCrit for it, and it's really simple. It's a subscription service, but I really do like it. Of course, if I could get more custom music, I would prefer that, but yeah. Okay, so and now rectangle. This variety. Here we go. It's a rotted fruit. It's a rotted food, so I guess I guess it doesn't really matter if its eyes kind of swivel like that. It's not exactly the most intact of things. let's get this. It's a nice 16 by 16. So we're going to make this a pathish color. It's not exactly the color I want. Let me see. RPG path pixel. Yeah, I want something like sand, like that sandier color. How did I get to that point? Actually, wait a minute. Honestly, there we go, maybe. I'll work with that for now. Let me just close that tab now. I don't even know where in the music I am at this point. I want to song this song. That's unfortunate. I like this one. So let's take this. Let's lower it by a full color percentage. Give this the texture of cheese. Actually, now that I think about it, I could just use a tile set for this. Yeah, I could just make a tile set for that and make my life so much easier. Actually, that's just a waste of resources. Maybe it isn't. Actually, no, it isn't. It isn't. Oh, honestly, you may not want to do that because some teachers still... Because, actually, people have already put in grades at this point in time. I don't know. I normally like leave all my... I normally leave all my classes at, like, the beginning of the school year. Just to make sure teachers don't like put anything last minute in them. Oh god, that felt good. What's this song? Oh dang. Hello there. I forgot I had this one. Dude, I've forgotten so many of these songs at this point, apparently. Tile set, there it is. Basic ground. Tile sets. How big do I want to make this? Like, I do want to add some, like, scenery things for the tiles, so... it's like 64 times, like, yeah, let's make it 10, let's make it 10 by 10 for now. So that'd be 640 by 640. Actually, wait a minute, that means with a 64 by 64. Yeah, I'd have like 100 things I could. I don't think I need 100 different slots in this tile set. That's probably not needed. I could do like 10 up and down, but 64 times 5. 320. Okay. 320. Yeah. Now that doesn't look like 10, so 64 by 64. There we go. Okay, yeah. Each one of these is going to be different. I really don't need it this big. I think honest with myself, I don't need it this big. If I need it this big, I'll just make it this big. I'll just make it that big, but I really don't need it that big. I don't think I'll be using more than like 25 of these things. There we go. At least for like the basic area. Okay, so dang it! I should have stored that color that I had going before. I gotta make it all over again now. There we go. The only thing for this, I need a middle section, then I need up left, up right, tops, bottom. Oh, okay. So I just need a few more. Look how little small my cursor is. Look how small this little box, baby. There we go. Okay, so middle, left, right, up, down. That's a coincidence that actually fits. Next song, let's see what this one is. It's called Power. The first one we just played was called Fruity. This one's called Power Vibes. I'm kind of, I don't know if it's gonna fit as like the kind of chiller but upbeat thing we're kind of going with right now, but let's see. Just gotta let it load. Alright then, let's let this one play. Sounds good. My controller just fell. I have my headphones pulling to that. Dang it. Give that back! Ah, where did my things go? Just think about them when it's like, how much is this actually gonna be appreciated when the game is being played? Like, how much is this sprite work actually gonna be acknowledged? And it's like, oh my god, look at that ground sprite. That's amazing. That's never gonna happen. And the song is ended. Rose, I'm gonna let you pick the next one. So you can either go with 90s hits or Happy Earth. Choose. Also, are you still alive? You haven't talked in a while. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna let you choose the next one. You can either choose something called 90 songs, or 90s hits, or you could choose something called Happy Earth. You could choose which one it is, which one is next played on my YouTube live stream here. Earth. Got it. Happy Earth. Let's see how it sounds. Because again, I forgot what most of these sound like. Excuse me, why aren't you scrolling the right direction? There you go. What do you sound like, Happy Earth? Do you have any sound at all? Oh, there we go. Ah, this is really chill, man. I need to make the game room bigger. I need to do some quick math for pixel measurements. 512, plus 512, 1536. Oh, that's too big. 1536. How big is that in game terms? Okay, then. We can shorten that down a little bit. let's see. 24 divided by 4. 24 plus 256, 120, 1280. 1280 by 1280. Let's see how big that is. That's a little more manageable, I guess, but let's change it to some. Okay, in time for 90s hits. Still prefer something a little smaller. Go, little man! Be free! Be free, little man! Oh, this is definitely 90s. The frick? What was I doing to make this song? I'm trying to remember what circumstances led to this one being made, but I don't remember at all. And it's not really what I feel like going for right now. Chip drop. What are you? Please be as like plucky as I hope you are. Oh my God! Wait a minute. I know this. This is the title screen music for Drillitix. Yeah, this is Drillitix title screen music. I forgot this thing's name was freaking Chip Drop. See how big that is. That's still pretty big. Probably at some point in the future when I've made more that I'm actually proud of. At the current moment in time, I don't really have many of those. But yeah, I have one, and that's just Drillitix. Yeah, they're just Drillitix. I'm like, I guess I have something else, but it's not really a finished game. It's a project that got thrown to the wayside because there was a bug in the code that I never found out how to fix. And so I just kind of like, oh wait, there's a couple of those actually that I've just kind of thrown to the wayside because I don't know how to actually fix them. The Nosh, the game I'm working on right now. I just had to turn up my fan because it's getting too hot in my room. Yeah, Nosh, the game I'm currently streaming right now. It was one of those games where it's like something broke and I don't know how to fix it, but I'm currently trying to port it over to a better file. This room size, it's still too big. What if I just do 1024 by 124? I know I did that before, but let's just see. Ah, dang it. Broke. I think I deleted all these guys. Instances. So I already have a grid going, so let's turn that up to a 64 by 64 grid. Why did it off center to the? Oh, God dang it! Oh, you're just being annoying now. Are you Wait, are you snapping? Oh yeah. Of course you are. I actually need a 32 by 32 for it to work properly. Dang it. Two, three, four, five, six. Yeah. And tiles. Forgot I did that. Forgot it did that. There we go. There we go. The frick? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That doesn't make any sense. Makes sense. It not does. Since that was the title music for Drill 6, is this like the main theme? Am I gonna be listening to the main theme right now? Nope. That's not the main theme. What about this one? Okay, this is really EDM. Got it. Okay, maybe team have gone wrong here. Yeah. Has blended with the 64 by 64 grid for it to actually work properly. So even though technically so even though technically these are the same size, they just need to be like, they need to be smaller. Yeah, these need to be bigger. Wait a minute, is that actually a solution? I don't think it was. Ah, fudge. Wait, what happened to my tile set? Why is it not working anymore? Oh, we're just not showing it. Okay. No, everything's fine. Everything's fine, it seems. Yeah, that's so 5 wide. I don't fudge. Oh no. Oh. Then it's like, oh man, this is, I did not plan for that to happen because that is all of a sudden really bad. More music. More music. Wow. Okay, that's something completely different. Got it. I know this one. This is nice. Oh, calm! You're actually here this time. Calm meet Rose, Rose meet Calm. Calm is essentially, I'd say, one of my most loyal viewers. That's all I'm gonna say about him. I'm not gonna leave that shallowish. No, he's one of the loyal viewers. I know him from this community called Nosh Dev. To exemplify how loyal a viewer this dude was, when everything else was failing, he booted up a homebrewed Wii just to watch, which I call commitment. God, I was honestly flattered that you'd go to such extents. You go to such an extent to watch my stream. Cause that was awesome. I couldn't believe it, honestly. Let's see. Something I've worked out here. Toss this for a second. Guess we need to get 5 by 5. Yeah, you are. God, it's just too hot in my room right now. I'm about to crank my fan for the max setting just to actually, I'll get my window fan a little higher. I have 2 different fans in my room just because it is currently, I'm dying of a heat stroke. I hope the fan isn't picking up in the audio too much. Hope the music's helping cover it up. Still, I need to get these are all even. Do I? Yeah, I do. Yeah, I need to make sure that everything here is fine. Hey. I wouldn't say new project. This is an old project that I've been kind of like farting around with. It broke originally, but it broke originally, but now I'm kind of reviving it from the dead because I really like how it's going. So I don't want it to die. I need to make this stuff smaller. So 320. Okay, so 160. Hopefully it scales properly. Else I just fudged myself. That's fine. It looks more like sand now. Did I do that right? Yeah. My freaking voice, my voice bot was like picked up. I was like, hey, what are you talking about? I'm like, shut up. There we go. Wait, what the fudge? That's not what to click. Why is it just ever so slightly off-centered? Damn it. Why? Oh my god. I hate life. Oh, they're both. What the? Good. Eh. As soon as I hope that stuff goes well for you, honestly, because things can and will suck for a while, but you just gotta push forward. Snap to grid. Hope song's over. Yeah, what kind of stuff are you trying? Ah, oh, that's kind of cool actually. That's really cool. What are you using? What are you gonna? Once you actually figure things out, what are you gonna use it for? Got it. Okay. Yeah. And let's do festive for now. I have a lot of songs here. Okay. Yeah. Game Watch is something I've thought about trying to make at one point in my life, but I'm not exactly sure about that. I think it'd be cool. It definitely would be cool. Okay. Yeah, Roblox seems to be like an easy starting point for a lot of like these budding devs, because actually, from what I've heard, it's not the easiest thing to work with. But again, that was like older Roblox. Maybe it's gotten easier as time has gone on. Let's see, what song are you? No. Where are you? Oh, you're short. Still no. Oh, you're colorful. Nah. Open multiverse project. Interesting. Oh, this is nice. There we go. I'm using the wrong tile. Yeah, I can only bet. I've heard like default APIs and stuff like that are like really intensive, because normally people who are getting paid to work with it are working with it. So yeah, I'm not surprised it's a little trickier than what you may be hoping for. Oh, you can figure it out. I believe in you. You can probably do it. You just gotta spend enough time smashing your head into the keyboard. I would give more help if I knew if I knew any more than you probably do, which I probably know way less about Web3. Crap. No, come back. There we go. Okay, now that's tiled. That's just great. RM test level. Oh, did you actually like break a keyboard by slamming your head into it? Or did you just like break in rage? Or what are we talking about here? How keyboard brokey? Damn. That's one hard head slam then. Also one absolutely infuriated rage, I guess. So open the old files because I need to actually port the important info. Oh my god. Your spacebar stuck to your head. What the frick just happened? Are you seeing that too? Yeah, man, I think my audio just like broke or something. Weird. I don't know if you guys heard that, but like something just like went horribly wrong with my music audio. Well, there's a good thing about knowing nothing. It means you can learn something. Huh. Weird. So it must have actually been a thing on my end. That's concerning, honestly. I was kind of hoping it picked up. Because it's kind of freaky if I'm being honest what happened, what just happened. It was such as if I was like hearing an artifact. Like Oh, Skew, you're actually here. Hello there. Calm, this is Askew. He's another friend, like Rose. I know them IRL. It's going, guys. It's going nice. I just heard a freaking audio artifact in my song, so that's great. But other than that, I'm doing fine. I'm just talking with chat. You're still in the broken version. Yeah, I wish I knew what that was. Give me this. Okay, so then I can now implement constants to the game. OBJ, constant. I did not put a slash there, you jerk. Constant. Nah, I want constants. Persistent. Go. Create. Global. Spice equals 50. Tyler. Whoops. Actually, troops. Clearing them input. Okay. Actually, I need that to show too. Draw GUI. Draw self. Draw text. 0, 0. Actually, probably change that eventually, but yeah. Spice. String global dot spice. What are you still giving me a conniption fit about? Oh, you want another one of these, don't you? There you go. Okay, so now, crap. Now when I start this up, that happens. Okay. Oh yeah, it doesn't have a sprite, so I don't actually need the draw self there. I'm used to actually having things that are there draw sprites, but nope. Okay. Make a font. FNT default. And next song, let's see what it is. This one just says techno, so I have no idea what to expect with this one. Nah. Too sporadic. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Let's go over Donna. Let's up the size of you to 20. Object constants. Set. Actually, I don't remember what the font thing is. Font. Oh my god. Actually, I can just get the font from here if I do actually add a font for this one. If you're wondering why I'm looking at this like what looks like a fully made project, and why I'm kind of working between two different things, is because I don't know what happened to this file. But this file just does not work anymore. Draw set font, there we go. yeah, that file just does not work anymore. So I'm currently remaking the game with some upgrades. I'll admit this is not just a report. This is a complete overhaul. There we go. That works better. Okay, so spice is 50 now. I don't know what broke. It's just that one day I went to load it up and then I got an error that I could not fix at all, no matter how hard I tried. I think I was trying to like code an inventory system, but then that broke something else, and even after coding that in, it just kept broke. Correctly, the error was it was an invalid variable, though but the variable didn't exist. But I deleted all instances of the variable. So despite it not existing in the code, the game still thinks it exists. So it's trying to find a value for it, but it isn't there, so it can't get it. And no, this game's not about eating. Essentially, I'm mad at EA and like PopCap for ruining Plants vs Zombies 2, because so much of Plants vs Zombies 2 is locked behind like the premium paywalls. And so essentially what I'm doing is I'm making Spirits a success for the Plants vs Zombies 1, where the only payment you have to make is yeah, I know, but Nosh also sounds like a good word for a food fight. Yeah, essentially I'm mad at Plants vs Zombies for becoming terrible, so I'm making a better version of it that I can then sell for my own profits. But the only payment you're going to have to make ever in this game is the one-time payment where you buy the game. And even that, I don't want to make very much, because I know people don't have money in this economy. Ah, crap, I didn't mean to flag that. Maker could not just stuff. Yeah, it may just either that, or there's actually an instance of the other variable somewhere that I just missed. But even then, the inventory system itself was broken, so I want to have like a clean slate anyways. Imagine money. I know. Okay, wait a minute. Askew, you can't say imagine money. I'm not going to say why, but you can't say imagine money. Troop spawners. I should not have the underscore there, so I know it's not actually a thing. Create object. OBJ troop 1 spawn. Hello? What? Someone came into my room. I'm back now. He wasn't lolling at you, Com. He was lolling at what I said. Nah. Oh my god. Hello there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's one of the ones I have. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have MV and XP. I got XP first, and then later on I got MV. That's not a sharp one. It's not very sharp. No. Can I impact it actually? Is impact an option? Okay, so noted just in case I don't find anything better. I think Oswald was a good one. Yeah, it is. Crap. I'm not to self new layer. On Oswald, 10. There we go. Yeah, I'd say it's good. It's just that I haven't used it that much because you need to make a lot of sprites for it. Because like there's title screen, there's attack animations, that type of stuff. If I ever want to do and make like an actual like solid RPG, then it's gonna be like probably a few days straight of doing nothing but pixel art, just to like get like attack animations and character sprites and environments and stuff like that. It would honest to God be a few solid days of pixel arting, and I'm not exactly worrying about that right now. Troop 2. I keep forgetting that Walker here is. That's actually Troop 2, not Troop 1. So this is an extra Troop 1 spawner. This is definitely Troop 2 spawner. Scratching my head. Okay, so if left pressed. No. Is it left pressed? Oh. That's why I don't go games. I do game providers. Okay. Is it left press or left release with these? Left pressed. Okay. Left press. Do this. Wow. Troop 2. Well, you see, a great thing about saying stuff makes sense and when it doesn't actually make sense is people will correct themselves. But those who get confused, they get very confused because they're like, what do you mean that makes sense? They'll never know. I forgot that I had drag mechanics. Oh man. Got it. That's how it works. I'm a genius coder. This is actually supposed to be worth 10 though. So 10. Give me, and then you walk along, little buddy, walk along. And it works everywhere. You put him here, he goes that direction. You put him here, he goes that direction. You put him down here, he goes that direction. That's nice, calm. Don't rob the people who are trying to make games. Wait a minute. 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 I just had a freaking brainwave. Cause like, okay, so guys, look, if the tiles are just aesthetics. What's actually going on is that each one of these different lane colors makes them face a different direction. So technically, if I did a nice down, and then when it got to the bottom of down, I do a nice right. Would that actually like offset them? Oh my god, it would. It just doesn't change the direction of the sprite. Wait a minute. That should 25% to the game maker or to you? Because that's so that whichever the one you're talking about really matters in this case. Okay, yeah, to you that's fine. That's good. That's good. Yeah, 25% to you. Yeah. Definitely. Okay, so I see what's going on here in this horrible nest of if statements. Actually, if I did it that way, then there's no point. Okay, I'll come to that later. Let's see. That is an absolute ripoff. Wait, is it really 70-80% of the cut? Does Roblox really take 70 or 80% of the cut? $75. Oh my god, dude, that's like, what are they taking all that money for? Because all they're doing is providing a tool. They're not actually contributing to the project. Besides that, oh my god, yeah, that unfortunately makes sense. Yo, is the quality on this stream really this bad, or is it? It's like, what are you guys watching this at? Because I'm looking at my phone for like the first time. I'm looking at my phone like really really closely for the first time. That's an absolute terrible quality. Let me just load this up on my computer real quick, because I don't want to believe that it's actually that bad of quality. Hope not. I really hope not. God, that's terrible. Yes, I actually have things going now. So now I can duplicate. Control C, Control V. Nope. Control D. Spawner. correctly, I'm using Oswald for this, and your price will be your price is going to be 15. Actually, wait a minute. I have a book for this stuff. I don't know why I'm not following the book. Actually, I don't just have a book. I have the whole previous project that was actually already balanced and stuff. So I don't know why I'm not going by that. Oh, you were 20 originally, and you were 10. Got it. I have a sketchbook that I put these ideas down in, at least for this one. I have a sketchbook for a lot of my projects. I have sketchbooks for a lot of my projects just to like sketch this stuff into. Where to place this? Where's Plants vs. Zombies place their things? Plants vs. Zombies seeds. Ooh. Okay, yeah. I'm doing the wrong corner. There we go. Now I can also go edit the other one. But I have made a horrible mistake in making that 10. How much were you again? 20. Got it. That's white. Oh no, it's white. I can't make that joke on stream, actually. If I make that joke on stream, I'm gonna get demonetized to hell and back. Before I even get the ability to demonetize, I'm gonna get demonetized to hell and back if I say that joke on stream. Oh my god. Ugh. I don't want that. I don't want to get banned before my career even takes off. Oh god, that'd be terrible. Okay, so you're troop 1 now, and you're going to, yep. And then, actually that's already balanced for you. I just need to change the number of the troop. Troop 1. And then I actually have to edit some stuff for the other one. So then you give 20. There we go. Assets, troops, move you over a little bit. And then put down troop 1s. You're small. Oh, I forgot how small your sprite was. Little baby sprite. Yes. I put little baby. And the sugar cube is essentially the sunflower of the game, or at least the basic sunflower. Or it's actually a spice cube, not technically sugar cube. It's spice cube. Let me see. Spice cube. OBJ unit 1. Oh yeah, this is actually the spice cube's old sprite. This is what the spice cube used to look like before I changed it to make it front facing. Oh yeah, you have an alarm system with you. Give me all of this. Oh, you already have that. Oh, you already have that. What the frick? You already, wait a minute. You already have that code on you? Oh my god, wait a minute. Hey, I already put the code in. I forgot I did that. Look how happy they are. They're so cute. Oh, look how they're happy in their faces. While their brothers go out and fight for the war. Oh my god, I'm so happy I'm actually getting this back together again. This is great, man. They're gonna set keybinds. I may, in the future, if I figure out how to do that. That's essentially where that conversation ends. If I figure out how to do it, I probably will. Now to add the rock candy. He's angry. He's actually angry. He's not really angry. He's just grumpy. Also, I have nowhere to put his frickin' thing, so I'm gonna have to type it over his face, which I guess will not make him happier. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, buddy, but you're just too big. You're a big boy. I regret saying that so much. You're still gonna be minusing 20, but instead of troop 1 or 2, troop 3. I don't have the rest of the troop set yet. Oh my god. Okay, so rock candy. I'm just gonna duplicate the thing and then gut most of it. You don't need this anymore, and you don't need the majority of the stuff inside your create function. You just need this. Oh my god. Oh, so music's been dead for a while, I'm pretty sure. Fudge. Thank you. No. Next. What's next? I demand what's next. Oh god, I need to actually recenter my thing now. Thank you. Alright then. What the frick? You have a lot of code. What is this, man? End region. Oh, okay. Step. Wow. And I should also put down the barriers. Barriers. Barrier. OBG barrier. You're small still. OBJ barrier. There you are. An empty sprite whose full thing is collision. So then I doubt this will actually be the same size everywhere. And it fudged it. You're so annoying. Are you kidding? Why does it keep underlining like that? Okay, so essentially what that should have done is that now I can no longer place troops in the void. Oh, so I'm gonna turn the tile set back on. Nope. Can't place him in the void. Yes! Also, Grump. He actually has frames of animation once he starts getting eaten. Or taken down. I keep referring to stuff as like Plants vs. Zombies turn, but it's not. Yeah, he does have other phase. As he gets progressively more and more damaged, he goes from solid, confident Grump to disturbed Grump to please don't kill me, but he's gonna die anyways. That's just great. That's just great. I keep getting askew notifications and stuff. Why do people just only go on Steam when I'm live? Okay, so duplicate you for Troop 4, the Malik Archer. Its name is a lot cooler than it actually is. Cruel. It's a cruel, cruel world, though. Cruel, cruel man. I should not finish that song, or else Disney's gonna come down and be like, "Hey, I heard you singing a song. That's our song. Give us money." That's what Disney sounds like to me. I say as I've gone consistently for years at this point. How much does the freaking Malik Archer? How much does Malik Archer cost in ye olden times? 30. Wow. I made him cost a lot, man. Oh wait, crap! I have to make it so he can shoot up now. I don't want to have to make it so he can shoot up now. Oh man, I gotta figure that out. That's just great. And like again, I could just crap. My controller fell. Again, I could just rotate his head so it just rotates in the direction of him shooting. But still. Yeah, look at his like little hand, and his hand's over a straw, which he shoots balls of sour out of. And again, it's a lot less cool. He's a lot less cool than his name entails, because you expect something called the Malik Archer to be a lot cooler than just something that shoots wads of sour. But I also have the alarm 0. Alarm 0, whatever the alarm 0 is. And one. Troops. LBJ bullet 1, don't actually have that yet. Bullets. This is gonna be a general thing. Ooh. That's a dilemma. I guess you could. I guess the only way to solve that solution is to. The only solution to getting to not be bored of him is, I guess, to kill him off. But I guess we'll see what happens in the next session. In our next session. Bullets. Actually. Right. Also, that's your own fault for making so many backup characters. I'm not gonna sugarcoat that. That feels like a you problem. We're talking about our D&D group. We're talking about our future our D&D stuff for D&D. Cause I run a D&D campaign, and he's part of it. What did your old bullets look like? They're around here somewhere. There they are. Damn, it made them seeds, apparently. I didn't think they looked like that. I made them look like candies this time, actually. Little sour candy things. So I'm gonna take the red and I'm gonna make it one color, one shade darker. Maybe a little bit darker. Circle. the actual red paint bucket. No one will actually see this sprite very well, so it doesn't really matter how I make this. Yeah, D&D is a lot of fun. It really is a lot of fun. I love being the DM. Being the DM is. And these guys try to screw me over in any way possible, but I know how to screw them back. So, potato, potato. Here's 24. Alright, need to adjust that thing just a little bit. There's a lot to get into with D&D. And like I said, it's just what you expect it is. It's role-playing, it's LARPing. It's not exactly LARPing. It's role-playing, a lot of role-playing. And there's a lot of shouting at each other. At least from what I've experienced as a DM. Party likes to shout at each other, like a lot. Yeah, it is good. I love it's really nice when people aren't shouting at each other. And I have to add like some type of weird parent to a bunch of people my age. It is annoying when like your friends are did I make them the wrong project? Yeah, it is annoying when your friends only like play one game and you just what the 9 slice. Oh my god, wait, is this a new feature? I didn't even notice that before actually. Yeah, it is annoying when your friends only play one game and it's like you have to convince them there's other games in life. Because it's like they refuse. Oh, this game's the best. Why would you want to play something else? No, please, for the love of God. Touch a different game. I beg of you. I beg of you. There's other games besides guns. Go pick up a sword, do some hack and slash. Play Binding of Isaac. Kill demons with your tears. That's a fun game, by the way. I love playing Binding of Isaac. No. Now, little friend, will you shoot your seeds or will you not? I never gave the bud its spray. So, for all I know, you were actually shooting your things. I also never gave the bullet code. That's another problem. I'm just like currently thinking about how I'm just currently thinking about fudge, man. Think about how that like little audio music thing at the beginning of the stream is probably just gonna kill my viewer retention by a significant margin. Oh my god. No, and like when I'm talking about at the beginning of the stream, I'm talking about what am I thinking of? Talking about like when I was trying to actually first setting up the music, there was a lot of bad balancing, so I had to like balance that a lot better, and so stuff happened. Now I'm probably not going to see many viewers again, or see a rising viewers, which is unfortunate. Yay! He spits candy. That is nice. That is a nice spit. I'm way more proud of this than I should be. Let's get some spice makers up in here. There we go. Look at those numbers climb. Excuse me. I know, I'm so happy. Now go off to war. Oh. I feel so bad. It just walks out. It's like, I will go for the honor of my family. And with the hitting of the 2-hour mark, I think I'm gonna end it off there. So yeah, made a lot of progress today. I'm happy about that. I'm just gonna quickly go back to here and hit save a couple thousand times. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up there for today's stream. I may stream sometime during the week when I'm free, but no promises. So yeah, night everybody. Not really night though. I mean, like for someone else maybe night, but for me it's a nice 1:25 p.m. Stop streaming.